Growing up, I was never the popular kid in school. I was smart, and there was a misguided illusion that smart kids couldn't fit in with everyone else. I remember coming home crying to my mom because none of the kids would play with me on the playground or let me sit with them at lunch. My mom would smile and tell me that one day I would have all the friends that I wanted in my life. While watching videos on YouTube in 2006, I watched a young girl singing the national anthem. The girl's name was Taylor, and her voice was one of the best that I have ever heard. She was only 11 years old, yet was invited to sing at the 76ers game. I searched for more of her videos and was instantly entranced by the blonde singer-songwriter named Taylor Swift. I was transitioning into middle school, and Taylor was 16. Taylor and I were very alike, and it was effortless to relate to everything that she wrote about in her albums. One reason that I liked her music so much. She quickly became my favorite artist, and I have been by her side ever since, through all of the hate from the media, other artists, and the public. As I dealt with bullying and backstabbing friends, Taylor taught me all of the most important things in life that an older best friend would. Lessons about love, friendship, and how to deal with the mean people in school. She taught me to be fearless, to speak now, to ignore the mean people, and that the best day didn't always have to be a love story. This past July, as I approached my 18th birthday, I finally got to see my best friend perform in front of 40,000 fans at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh. Her show shared intimate details with fans as she talked to us in between songs and captured us into her brilliantly beautiful acts. As the concert drew to a close, my life was complete. The moment I had been waiting for was coming to an end, and I couldn't be more proud. I was finally in the same venue, just feet away at some points, from the person who helped me realize that I didn't need people to think that I was the coolest kid in school, and that as long as I was being myself and not selling out, I would never have anything to worry about.